Hi, I'm Sabrina Guerrier, and I'm a third-year student in Financial Mathematics and Economics at the University of Ottawa.
My name is Judith Keller. I teach mathematics at the University of Waterloo. I'm also a graduate of Lester B. Pearson Catholic School in Gloucester.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a recent PhD graduate from University of Ottawa, and I'm a mathematician and writer.
Hi, my name is Mary Jo, and I'm the methodologist, which is just a fancy term for numbers person, of the Emergency Medicine Department at the Ottawa Hospital Research Institute, or OHRI.
Hello, my name is Adele, and I am a mathematician.
My favorite math problem comes from an assignment in a course I took in my third year of university. You have an 8x8 checkerboard with a chicken standing on the two opposite squares in the corners. You have 31 dominoes, and you can place each domino so it covers any two squares that share an edge. The problem is to show how to cover all of the chicken-free squares, or to prove that it's impossible to do so. The reason this is my favorite problem is because of how hard I struggled to solve it.
When I notice that I hit a wall, the first thing I do is I acknowledge it. I acknowledge that there's something that's not working. Then I take time to observe what's not working. I write down what I'm experiencing in detail, like a report. If the obstacle still persists, I set the problem aside. The key here is not to try to solve it. I always treat a problem like a person. I try to understand it rather than to solve it.
I get stuck on a math problem, so as a researcher, I work on math problems all the time, and the types of math problems I work on, they don't get solved in a day. Sometimes it takes me an afternoon to solve a problem. Other times it'll take me a day. Sometimes it even takes me a week, even a month, sometimes even 6 months or a year. So we have these whole variety of math problems out there, and some of them take quite a lot of time. And that's completely normal. So whenever you get stuck on a problem like that takes a lot of time, what I like to do is I like to just kind of take a step back and try to remember what is the big picture. So what are we trying to accomplish? What is the goal? And once you really know this big picture, your end goal, then you can work towards what are the concepts that I'm using to get to this goal. So remembering what each concept is and trying to work with definitions, so things that you know are facts, and starting from there to try to build up to eventually being able to solve the problem.
Why did I decide to study math? I love that it's such a versatile and challenging discipline. Even the most abstract parts of algebra or calculus have fascinating applications in economics and finance.
If I were to give advice to my younger self, I would say to really listen to your heart and follow your interests and your passions, but also allow these interests to change over time as you grow, mature, and discover new things.